In this video, I am going to tell you how to draw a profile section of this map. First of all, we have to focus on contour lines and continuous line. Okay, so first see this contour line and this is continuous line. Okay, now it is intersecting here, here also intersecting, here also intersecting, here also intersecting. But if you see the contour line and continuous line of this side, they are parallel to each other. Simultaneously here also, this is continuous line, this is contour line, they are parallel to each other. Here also they are parallel to each other. Here also they are parallel to each other, and here also they are parallel to each other. And in between this area, the contours are contour lines and the continuous line, they are intersecting to each other. But here they are not intersecting each other, they are parallel. This means this intersecting contours and continuous line indicate that these beds are inclined bed, and this side bed which are parallel contour and which are showing parallel contour and continuous line, they are horizontal beds. Okay, so from this we can get an idea that some beds are inclined and the overriding bed, they are horizontal. That means they are forming angular unconformity. As we don't know the lithology of inclined bed, so we cannot decide it is an unconformity, disconformity or paraconformity. For this, you can easily, on the basis of angle, you can demarcate as it is an angular unconformity. So draw a line of unconformity here, same way, like then here and then here. It is showing unconformity. Okay, after that you can see that this and this are two intrusive body. They are not parallel to the beds, they are cross cutting, they are not parallel to contour lines. As you can see, here the contour lines, here contour line, and these dikes are intersecting. That means this is not sill, this should be dike. In the same way, here also the contour line and the dikes are intersecting, and this intrusion are intersecting to each other, so we call this intrusion as a dike. Now in the middle of this map, one line is given, one curvilinear line is given, curved line is given. It is showing, this line is showing a fault, a inclined fault. If it is a vertical fault, this line should be straight, but here it is curved, so this kind of curved line show inclined fault. Now for profile section, what we have to do, as we know this area, beds of this area are inclined, so inclined beds have dip amount and dip direction. For that we have supposed to draw a strike line. Now how strike line can be made? The simple way to draw a strike line is that select a contour line and the continuous line, both the side, upper and lower, and select and draw a line. That line should cut both upside and downside at the same contour value. Like here it is given 1100, and here it is also a contour value of 1100, and they are cutting this and this continuous line of T bed. Okay, so just make a straight line. This will be your strike line. Simultaneously you can draw a strike line for remaining beds, like for if suppose this is also contour value and this is intersecting this continuous line at 1000 and 1000, so draw here a contour strike line. Now further if we go, it is not clearly shown that but here it is continuous line and this is contour line of 1100. Here also 1100 and this is a continuous line, so you can draw a straight line. But here as we drawing a straight line, we have to keep in mind that the straight line should be parallel to each other. For that we can use our scale. Put your set square in this way, that put this in a stationary form and move this only. Okay, now suppose you have drawn this straight line. Now this is another straight line which is parallel to this. Now other straight line which is parallel to remaining two. Like this way you can do simultaneously straight line for given one. After drawing the straight line, we have to give direction of each of this straight line where it is dipping. As we already know that this is an inclined bed, so it must show dip direction. So we have to find this is straight line, this is straight line, this is straight line where it is dipping. What would be its dip direction? For that we have to apply a simple method. Like if you want to know, suppose you have to find the dip direction of this straight line, so simply take either way, this way or this way. Suppose we have taken this way, go from this to this side, okay, from a continuous line, and see the contour values corresponding to it. Now if we move through this, it will, here it is indicating 1000 contour value. If we go further, that is indicating 1100 value. That means this side value is less, so this bed is dipping in this way. Now suppose if you want to find the dip direction of this straight line, so simply come from here, follow this line, okay, follow this continuous line. Here you are getting 1000, okay, and now coming to this, you are getting 900 value. This is less, this is higher, means that bed is dipping toward this side. This is the elevated part and this is downgoing part, so dip direction will be like this. Simultaneously you can find for all the straight lines, the process of finding the dip direction will be the same. Follow any continuous line. Suppose we want to if you want to find of this, suppose you want to find the direction of this straight line, so simply come from here, okay. Just if you will come from here, like it first intersected 800 and then 900. That means this part is of downgoing and this is up part, so the dip direction will be like this, in this way. This way you can find the dip direction of all the straight lines. Then after, how to draw on a A3 legal size paper. Now keep in mind that the scale of this map is 1 inch equal to 100 feet, and these values 1200, 1100, 1000, 900, 800 are given in feet, okay. Now look at this x value and y value given in the map. Now you just have to fold this along this line, fold it and put it on a paper. Make a straight line from this point to this point, like this. Now mark all the contour values, like this is contour line, this is contour line, this is contour line, this is contour line, this is contour line. Now write the contour value just below it, like this is of 100 and 00, this is of 1000, this is of 900. Now what you have to do, this is 11 feet. Now convert this into an inch because our scale is given in inch. So what you can do, 1 inch equal to 1000 feet. So what will be the value of x at 1100 feet? You just simply divide this by 1000, you will get 1.1 inch. This is the value of x. That means you have to draw, 1.1 is from here like this. For drawing an inch value from this to this, we have to use another kind of scale, that is inch scale, where it is written like 1 upon 10 like this. Okay, now put your scale and measure 1.1 from here like this. Simultaneously you can do this process for all the contour lines like this, from here, like this, here. I am taking randomly like here. Okay, now for the last line, this and this, take an average value. Okay, suppose here given that suppose this line, this point is in between 800 and 900. So you can take 850 or 900 also, whatever you want to take you can take. In the same way you can here also take a x point, it is between 1200 contour line and 1100 contour line. So you can take any value between this, take an average of 1250 for safer side. Now after doing this and this, profile like this will be formed. Profile will be like this, will be formed. After this, for now we want to draw beds. For this, here we are not going to follow the dip method. Here the new way of drawing a beds is a strike method, which we are going to learn here.